for our $300 champion of our costume contest.
Okay, let's bring them all up.
All right. We need more noise in that. Come on, more noise, more noise, more noise. Oh, get ready, bam, bam, get ready to bam, bam, get ready, bam, bam, get ready, bam, bam, get ready, bam, bam, get ready to.
Adele, are you ready, Adele, for the winner? Sasha, you ready, Sasha?
This is so good.
Catherine, are you ready?
For $300, ladies and gentlemen, our champion in our costume contest. Oh, we still got more people coming.
I think the airplane took off.
All right. Okay. So listen, we had 0 to 3-year-olds all the way up to 10 and up. We are going to do a countdown from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 2. Your costume champion and the winner of $300 goes to Optimus Prime. Optimus, roll out.
Thank you for all of our first places.
Oh my goodness, I can't. Optimus! Optimus, right here! Autobots, roll out. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
And let's hear it for our waste management.
Yes.
Our rose pot. And our dragon bird.
Oh yeah. Optimus is in the house.
The councilwomen would love a photo with them.
Yes.
Yes.
I think we should put it on the table. I love it. All right, Optimus, one more time. You guys give it up for Optimus Prime. Waste management. Our rose pot. And our dragon bird. Proud of you. Thank you for coming, seriously. All right. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, show you love for all of our kids up here.
So we're going to take a photo with our council.
Our city council up here
City
representing.
council.
Make some noise for Queen, Miss Joanna Vargas. Ryan and Joe, our sound techs, Miss Committee, and our staff representing out here today. All of our kids up here. Optimus Prime is trying to transform right now. The gas is too high, so he's like, I'm just going to lay down. Yes. Move it. Optimus is going in. Battery's not included.
That's it. He's just going to lie down.
Does anyone remember the original name that Transformers was under? What company? What company?
He-Man.
Hasbro.
Oh, that's old school.
Optimus is like, I just want to lay down right now. I'm tired. One more time, you guys, the champion. Make some noise for Optimus Prime. Waste management, Rose Pod, and our Dragon Bird. Optimus likes the Dragon Bird. You gotta say hi, Dragon Bird. Hey, money make you happy right now. He is happy. start.